All right, so this video will be on properties of logarithms. In earlier lessons, we learned about properties of exponents that can be used to alter exponential expressions. Similarly, there are properties of logarithms, and they share many similar characteristics because of the relationship between exponents and logarithms. So here's what the properties can be used to do. You can split a single logarithm into two or more logs. You can also condense two or more logs into a single log, or you can alter a log that's raised to a power. So here are the three properties. The first one is the product property. Notice here that there's a product. We're taking the log base b of x times y. So if you have the product property, this single log can be split into two with an addition sign in between, log base b of x plus log base b of y. The quotient property, if we have the log base b of x divided by y, that's a quotient, then we split it up similar to how we did with the product property, but there's going to be a minus sign in between the two logs instead. Notice it's important to note that these properties only apply if it can be written with the same base here. And actually, I guess I'm thinking more along the lines of if I had two separate logs like this with the same base and an addition sign in the middle, I could condense them. I could go from this over to this as long as the base was the same, and likewise here. And then finally, the power property, the log base b of x to the n. Well, x is being raised to a power, and in the case where x is being raised to a power, you can bring this power around in front. Think of it kind of, I'll draw a little dotted line coming here, right? You can bring that n, or that power, down in front of the log, and it's the same as n times log base b of x. So these properties are just used to manipulate logarithms.